from people all over the country. Does my heart good, to hear back. I have an email from Kate from New York. She says, I have arthritis in too many places and recently broke my right wrist. All these aches and pains are lessened within a few minutes of using the glucosamine cream. Spencer is easy to use and was especially appreciated when my wrist wasn't working very well. I will not be without this product. Just one more. I've lost the pain in my knees and I can walk without any problems, climb stairs, sleep at night without pain. I'm so glad I heard about the cream. It makes me want to wake up in the morning. That's exactly what we were just talking about.
Interesting. It makes people want to wake up in the morning.
You see what I mean?
All right, folks, I do want to take a moment here to let you know that if you want to try Dr. Janet's Extra Strength Pain Relief Formula, there's a special toll-free number you can call right now. It's 1-800-467-9480. You know, Dr. Janet's formula is a fast-acting glucosamine cream that provides relief on contact for those nagging aches and pains in your joints, your neck, back, shoulders, wrists, hands, knees, basically anywhere it hurts. The best part is it's odorless, it's tasteless, and it won't stain, so you can use this every day, even under your best clothes. The number to call is 1-800-467-9480. And keep in mind, Dr. Janet has arranged a very only available to you listeners, so when you call, be sure to mention this program and you'll get a risk-free trial of Dr. Janet's Extra Strength Glucosamine Pain Relief Cream. Again, this is only available to you listeners and only if you call this toll-free number. It's 1-800-467-9480. Plus, if you call in the next 10 minutes, you'll also receive an extra free supply with your order. You can keep that for yourself or share it with a loved one or a friend. Folks, this is a really great offer. That number to call is 1-800-467-9480. And remember, folks, you have absolutely nothing to lose here because Dr. Janet's Extra Strength Glucosamine Pain Relief Formula is guaranteed to be safe and effective for your money back. And also, when you call and order today, you're not going to be enrolled in one of those automatic delivery programs. This is a one-time order. You can see for yourself how well this works. The number to call is 1-800-467-9480. But again, it's 1-800-467-9480. Okay, well, this has been really, really enlightening. We've been talking about pain, which unfortunately is a difficult subject for so many people. And we've been talking about Dr. Janet's glucosamine cream, which contains proven pain-fighting ingredients that not only help to reduce or even eliminate your pain, but also help to rebuild. And I think that's so important. There is an opportunity here to get on a path back to ultimate health.
You know, with pain, you have this what-if thinking. What if this isn't going to get better? Am I going to wind up in a wheelchair?
Yeah.
What do I have? Is this terminal? Is this going to take me out? What's going to happen to my family? What's going to happen to my job? So this is what America is going through, and the stress only perpetuates the pain syndrome. And so I'm here to tell you that help is on its way. It's time to take charge. Be proactive. Pick up the phone and try this.
So your glucosamine cream is all natural.
All natural.
And you just rub this right in the area of pain.
Put it right where it hurts.
Doesn't stink.
No smell.
And it's
not greasy.
Not greasy.
Won't ruin your clothes.
And this is safe. You don't have to worry about interactions.
No,
Nothing
not at all.
About there. I meant to ask you, is this something that you can continue to use or should continue to use after, let's say that you don't have pain anymore, but you still want to keep,
if it happened once, it can happen again. So you want to keep replenishing all those building blocks that help us remain flexible. So there you have it. It works. I'm living proof. So
and what should you notice when you start using it?
More flexibility, less pain. You'll have more mobility. Better. You're going to get back into life. You know, it's funny. I have people tell me the first and second day they use it. So, I have a feeling for the first time that my well-being's returning. I'm going to be all right.
Yeah. And there are literally thousands of people that have benefited already.
Absolutely. We know that for a fact. And the letters don't stop coming in. So
Can you share a few more with us?
sure. Let's see. I have some more with me here. Sam from Douglasville, Georgia. She says, my fingers swelled and my doctor said it was carpal tunnel syndrome. And I couldn't get any relief, so I rubbed a glucosamine cream on my fingers and hand, and the pain was instantly gone. I keep this by my bed, in my purse, and at my workstation. Thank you, Dr. Janet. And Agnes sent this letter. I knit for hours at a time. It takes all the oil from my skin, and my hands were so bad that they were cracked, bleeding, and very itchy. Plus, my hands hurt a lot, too, sometimes waking me up at night. I would use your glucosamine cream on my hands, and I'd have to tell you that it's better than any hand cream or lotions. Plus,